Here's a great baked zucchini recipe you can do in your toaster oven. I have 3 zucchinis which I've cut up into quarters, and I'm going to put them in a bowl. I'm adding a tablespoon of oil. This is vegetable oil. Mixing up to coat the pieces of zucchini. Now in another bowl, I'm adding 3/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs. I'm adding a 1/2 teaspoon of powdered ginger, a 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Blending all the ingredients well. Now I'm going to add the zucchini. Now I'm stirring this around to coat all of these pieces. And I'm preheating my toaster oven to 350 degrees. I'm putting the zucchini pieces out on a baking sheet. There they are. The zucchini pieces are ready to go into the toaster oven. There they go into the toaster oven, and I'm going to set the timer for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to broil these pieces for, I think I'm going to set the timer for 3 minutes to get them browned. Look how nice and brown these zucchini pieces are. I'm adding a sprinkling of grated cheddar cheese. This is a great appetizer or a really nice side with something like fried chicken or pasta. You've got a toaster oven, give this a try. It's so easy. And buy my cookbook. Pop it in the toaster oven, which you can buy anywhere. And if you don't have a toaster oven, consider getting a toaster oven. So many wonderful things you can make. And you know what? The kitchen wasn't heated up at all to make this wonderful recipe. No way.